This is not your fault. You did not cause your partner's sexual addiction or betrayal. In fact, for many of the couples I've worked with, the compulsive sexual behavior began long before the relationship ever started. Years, sometimes decades before. Yet, in the aftermath of betrayal, many partners are left feeling like they're somehow to blame. Maybe your partner has said things like, "If only you were more sexual," or "You pushed me away," or "You're just like your mother." Maybe they've criticized your body, your emotions, your parenting, or your past. Those kinds of messages are cruel, and they are based in lies. Your partner made the choice to act out, not just once, but likely again and again. Whatever reasons they offered, they alone are responsible for their choices. So say this with me: "It's not my fault." And say it again: "It's not my fault." You may not believe it yet, and that's okay. You may hear echoes of his accusations and think, well, maybe there's a little truth there. But truth distorted by shame and blame becomes manipulation. Let me remind you, no one forced your partner to betray your trust. They made that choice, and they will have to take responsibility for it.